Hello, I'm Kathy Rodriguez from the Information Technology Assistance Center. In this video, I'm going to go over the Yammer interface. So when you sign into Yammer, in the top left, you'll see what's called the network. So this is the KSU network, and you can have various networks that you belong to, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Then we come on down, and you have your home button, and if you click on that, it will display whoever you have chosen to follow. If you want to see everyone, you just can click on the network and it will display everything in your feed. And then if any private messages I have will be in my inbox. Any notifications I have will be there. You can search for people, groups, or conversations here. If you want to add people to the network that may not already be on there, you can just click add and invite them. If you want to see who already is on the network, you can click on people and you can see a list of people that are on here. If you want to look at any groups that already exist on the network, you can look at that. Anyone can create groups within the network. So maybe you're going to work on a project or you want a group for your department, you can create that here. And files, if you want to upload files or actually create a file online here in Yammer, you can do that with the create new note. So upload or create. And then apps. There are some apps that you can use in conjunction with Yammer. Some cost and some are free. The one that I use is the Chrome extension, so that lets me post to the network a little quicker. So you can take a look through those and see ones you might be interested in. And then account. If you want to look at your profile or edit your profile, you can do that. And then click log out. And edit your profile. You can just put basic information about yourself in here if you want to. You don't have to. You can upload a picture, change your password, put information in about your organization. You can see what networks you belong to. And I'll talk a little bit more about networks a little bit later. If you want to see any account activity you have, the applications that you're using. So if I click on my applications, I can see I have the Chrome extension. If you want to manage your notifications, this is email notifications. So if you're receiving too much email or not enough, you can come in here and then click next to the network and then choose how often you want to be emailed. And then just remember to save it. And you can do that for each network. And then any preferences you might want to change, you can have. There's not that many, but you can have that there. Alright, I'm going to click KSU to go back to the main page here. And then on the left, you'll see groups. And if you wanted to create your own group, you can just click that create group button. I'll do that there. And then you choose whether you want to create an internal or an external network. So an internal group allows only people with KSU email addresses to be in that group. So basically K-Staters. And then you just go through, and if they're on Yammer already, they'll just add them to the list. And then you choose if you want to be public or private. So public would be anyone that can sign into our KSU network could see that group, and or private would be the only ones, once you're invited, you would be able to see that. The other type of group you can do is external network. So if you have users outside of K-State that you want to be able to have be part of your group, you can do that with an external network. The other thing an external network does is allow you to create tags for your posts, and the groups don't allow that. So you just kind of have to choose which one you want to do there. And then just go through, and so if I wanted to do an external network, I just give it a name and a description. And then if I want it to be an open, anybody can join, or closed, or allow KSU members to join without an invite. Those are some options you have there. So, and to go in between your different groups, you just click on which group you want to go into. So if I want to go into this one, just click on that and go in. And if I want to go to a different network, you just click the drop down arrow there and it shows all the networks that I can get to. So one we have is for the Office 365 migration, so then I just click on that. And now I'm within this group. And if I want to go back to the KSU one, just click on networks again, and then click KSU. Then we have some information over here on the right side, just recent activity, those kinds of things.